Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about our heavy-duty wheel cleaner. Heavy-duty wheel cleaner is ideal for those situations where you've let a little bit too much time pass in between wheel cleaning sessions, or you just know that you have a particularly aggressive brake pad setup that dusts excessively. We find it saves time when addressing the daily driver too. This formula is pH balanced, non-acidic, and non-caustic, which makes it safe for all wheel surfaces from painted wheels to powder-coated wheels, even raw mag and aluminum wheels. It features an active ingredient, sodium thioglycolate, that actively targets ferrous metals that are common in brake dust and dissolves them ahead of you having to agitate. This creates a little bit of a murder scene effect, but that is evidence that the chemical is doing some work for you. It's important to note that if you're aware of unique finishes on your wheel or brake caliper, it would be best to check your user's manual or manufacturer's literature about recommended cleaning products, or test a small portion of the barrel of the wheel to ensure compatibility. To use heavy-duty wheel cleaner, first check to make sure that the wheel is cool, because you don't want to warp your brake rotors or encourage the product to dry prematurely on the wheel surface. I always put on nitrile gloves because I don't want any of that brake dust to get into my skin, but that's not necessary. I just have particularly soft hands I'm trying to protect. After that, you have the choice of either rinsing the wheel to get rid of any excess dirt first, or simply spraying HC wheel cleaner onto a dry wheel. The difference really is going to come down to how heavily soiled your wheels are. Excessively dirty wheels probably warrant a rinse, but most wheels that simply have brake dust built up will benefit from an undiluted application of HD wheel and a longer dwell time. Spray heavy-duty wheel cleaner from the bottom up to ensure even coverage, and once I've covered the entire wheel, I give it about 3 to 5 minutes to let the chemical fully react. You'll start to see the chemical react after a few minutes, and if you want to just start cleaning or you're in hot weather, start cleaning. Otherwise, allow the proper dwell time to maximize the chemical's effectiveness. Once it's turned fully purple, you can be sure that the active ingredient has reacted with the iron ore and the brake dust, and it is safe to begin agitating the clean wheel. After I've gone around the entire wheel, I'll rinse off the excess, and I'll be done. Heavy-duty wheel cleaner makes cleaning extremely dirty wheels a breeze. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.